In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace your front plate bracket on a Malibu, located on the front bumper. So you have two mounting bolts right here. Now you can use a flathead screwdriver or an 8, even a 5/16 socket, 8mm or 5/16. Back those out. Now the tabs underneath here, see this one caught and that one's probably broken. Now you're going to pull this tab up or push it down and pull it out. See the hook on it? That one wasn't even hooked up. So you're going to grab your new bracket. See those two tabs? Place them inside that grill. Here, snap. Much nicer. I'm going to line up the pre-tapped holes. They are self-tappers, so even if you don't have any, this is designed to screw right into the plate. Now you can put your plate on and ready to go. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.